Hey guys, well, it's almost 11:30 at night, and I'm really bored, so I just decided to make this YouTube video. I got my MacBook a couple of days ago. No, not a couple of days ago, a couple hours ago, and I felt like making a YouTube video to unboxing, so here you go. Well, first we have the MacBook, okay? It is a MacBook Air, as you could see. Alright, so let's unbox it. I'm really excited because now I don't have to film off my iPhone anymore. I film off of here. The people who were at Best Buy who were like the customer service, they were really nice. They were like choosing on like what we should get, which one we should get, and I was like, it's my starter laptop. Oh, the other side, and bang. Here we are. I got it straight in this box. There's really nothing else to show you. We didn't order it. We bought it straight from the store, from your local. You could get these at your local Best Buy or Apple Store. I have an Apple Store in Freehold, but they had these on sale at Best Buy. So I've been looking for a laptop for so many times. You guys don't even know. All right, so let me take my phone. All right, so here is the MacBook Air. So you guys could see. Right there, and yeah, so let's, let me, actually, let me open it so you guys, okay, so here it is, and yeah, so let's open it, and bang, there it is, the MacBook Air. Well, first let me put this away, put the knife away, and let's put the computer right here for a second, and then I'll show you guys. Right here, it looks like this is the charger. So you guys could see that. Right here, looks like a little USB thing where you hook this up into your computer, hook this into your laptop, and it'll transfer to computer. And here is a little, well, a huge cable. I don't know what to do with that. My dad will teach me. But yeah, so that's that. Let's move to the other side. Right here, it looks like we have, a little black box designed in Apple company. So let's open this. It has hello. If you guys can see that, hello right there. And this, this just tells you about like important safety information and where it is. I'll be making another video about all that another day. Okay, so yeah, that's that. We have this too. This is the this is a USB flash drive which contains a backup copy of your MacBook Air software. In the event that you need to reinstall the software, see your user guide. I'm reading this off at the back if you guys can see. To reinstall Mac OS X, insert the drive and hold down the C key as the computer starts up. To run an Apple hardware test, insert drive and hold down D key as the computer starts up. So you gotta keep that. And this is an Apple agreement to show that you bought the computer. And last but not least, this comes in every single thing of Apple. Two Apple stickers. Yeah. Okay. So that is mostly it for what comes in that black box. It's really nothing. Sorry about that. Oh my God, I'm not doing this well. See this about, if you need any problems, look in here and just look at the guides. You could see. So, that's it. So let's put this all back in the black box. Now, the creators of Apple have just done it again. They just do every job they do it the best. They make everything very sophisticated and friendly, they really like to help people on what they want to do. So let's get to the MacBook. Well, here is the Mac. Okay. It's got the Apple sign right there. It's a silvery gland. Here's the back. It's got the 4 grips. And it says right here, it just says designed in Apple, California, assembled in China. And this is like the model number and everything. So yeah, let's open it up. And there we go. This is your Mac. This is my MacBook Air. Okay. It's a really nice computer. It looks very sophisticated, and it seems like I'm the only 10-year-old who really has it right now. But yeah, it's very thin. Look at that. It's super thin. And then right here, it kind of glands up like that, and then goes into thickness, and yeah. So in my next videos, I will not be using this, but I just have to get used to it first. So I will be using it, but I will not be using it for my next upcoming videos. I am going to do another unboxing video of I'm going to be unboxing Velados. That's going to be the next video I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to make any other videos then. I'm also going to post one that I already did. It's Unboxing Beats by Dr. Dre. They're right over here. This is my case. My Beats are already out of the box, but this is a previous video I have already done, and I will be unboxing it for you guys. Like doing an unboxing video, and I'm going to be uploading it today. So yeah, that's really it for now, and just follow me on my channel, and thank you guys.